Do you have an error with the Chromium Embedded Framework 3 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Chromium Embedded Framework, CEF, working again. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Chromium Embedded Framework 3, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Chromium Embedded Framework 3, the core execution library for the Chromium Embedded Framework, CEF, version 3. It allows applications, like game launchers or Steam, to embed a web browser. If missing, the app will report CEF module initialization failure, typically resulting in a blank white window or a silent process crash. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. libcef3 is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Chromium Embedded Framework 3. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Chromium Embedded Framework 3. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The official utility referenced below outlines an approach to managing Chromium Embedded Framework 3 within a Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Chromium Embedded Framework 3 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.